Duck with cherries? Peking duck? Ah, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
So what are we having?
Well, I'm having you for lunch.
Well, I know that. But what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been mistaken. She told me to beware of the cat.
Oh, bless her. Mothers are all the same. They seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having any fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. Do you want to know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some thread. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with the top before the lunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It could be anything, really. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? I'd like to paddle the puddles, dabble in the mud, take a stick back to the shallows. Then maybe there's time to go sliding inside to the marsh where we find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say the cat is dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty.
Close your eyes.
Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can shiv your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with the top before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game. So, Ducky, tell me, do you like oranges?
Well, I don't know. I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that sound?
Salivating.
No, it's coming from outside.
That's just those wretched people from the farm playing ball.
Well, what are people?
What are people? Bad news, that's what people are. Consider yourself lucky, Ducky, that I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter them. Yes, I know it's a duck.